Hello my dear students, very good morning, and today I am going to teach you chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Adjectives, Degree of Comparisons, and this is part 1. And today, first of all, you see that there are 3 degrees of comparisons. First one is positive degree. When we use a positive degree, when there is no comparisons. Suppose we are talking about Ram and we are telling Ram is a good boy. So in this sentence there is no comparisons. So here it is positive degree. Ram is a good boy. Next one, comparative degree. When we use a comparative degree, when comparison is between two means 2 persons, 2 things or 2 groups, anything may be. Suppose you are telling Ram is better than Mohan. So here better is coming and better is comparative degree. Next one, superlative degree. And when we use the superlative degree, when comparison is between more than 2 persons, 2 things or 2 groups. More than 2 persons. Okay. Example, Ram is the best boy in the class. When I say in the class means more than 2 boys. It is understood. You can say the group also, the A group is the best group or other groups. Other groups means B, C, D, etc. And in this way, when we compare the more than 2 persons, more than 2 things, more than 2 groups, we use the superlative degree. And now I will show you the different formation of the degree. Next one, I have already told you that there are 6 types of adjective. You can see here, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. I have written the short form of demonstrative and short form of the interrogative. So among these 6 adjectives, we only use adjective of quality. You can see here, only adjectives of quality can have degrees of comparisons. Only this adjective we have 3 degree. One is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. And this is all adjectives and they have 3 formation. First formation is good, second formation is better, and the third is best. In this way, first form is small, second form is smaller, and third form is smallest. In this way, tall, taller, and tallest. And you can see that here we can use ER or EST with some adjective like small, smaller. ER we have added, and here we have added EST, and here also ER and EST. But some adjectives where we cannot add the ER or EST, and that time we have to use like beautiful. We cannot add the ER, beautifuler. We cannot say, this is wrong. We cannot say beautifulest. This is also wrong. So we have to write beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Again, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. So in this way, we have to change the formation of adjective. Positive adjective, this is better, second form, and the best is third form. Again, this is first form, second form, third form, and we can change one form to another form. This is called the degree of comparisons. And I hope that you have understood this ones, and I will explain you later on more things about these adjectives or degrees. And today that's all.